Aloha! Let's see how FRP seamlessly extends your access control system using QR guest entry and Face ID for staff, adding visualized control and enhanced security. Let's begin. In the admin app, we add the guest's email from the office calendar to the access pass. Done. Since entry is from outdoors, any external camera connected to the on-prem node via RTSP acts as a QR or face key scanner. The QR pass is sent by email, saved to Apple or Google Wallet, and simply scanned by the camera upon arrival. The FRP mobile app for Android turns an everyday smartphone into an on-prem access system. It processes live camera streams, handles QR guest entry and Face ID for staff, and connects directly to doors and locks through WebRelay, Matter, and Seam. For a clearer demonstration, we put together a simple mock-up of a typical entry door using a basic junction box. An outdoor camera serves as the reader, an interior button allows manual unlocking, and a single-channel WebRelay is triggered directly by the FRP Access app. For indoor use cases where vandalism and weather aren't a concern, an Android device runs in kiosk mode and is installed next to your existing RFID or NFC reader. In manual mode, as someone approaches, a clear on-screen button appears, inviting an intentional access action. The visual access log is what truly sets CCTV-driven access control apart. Through the admin app, you can manage hundreds of remote access points right from your iPhone or Android phone. When integrating FRP into your existing low-voltage setup, follow this diagram to select the right relay based on how many doors you need to control. Download the FRP app using the links below. And if you want to stay up to date on modern access control, hit like and subscribe to the channel. Mahalo!